library. Today we're going to be making a simple little craft. Before we get started, I'm just going to let you know what we need. We are going to need either a grapefruit, orange, or lemon, some birdseed, some yarn, and some imagination. So we are going to be making some bird feeders. Again, I try to always use things that I have around the house. So I saw these on Pinterest, and I did some research, and they are totally safe for birds. And in fact, birds love nectar and fruit, so I think it will be a great attraction for them. So what I did, I've already have the yarn and everything pulled through them. So for breakfast with my grapefruit, I opened it up, hollowed it out, cut around just like you would typically with your grapefruit, pulled it out, set it aside so I can eat it, and then I pulled out, using a spoon, I pulled out as much of the flesh as I could, gave it a quick rinse, and set it aside to dry. Once it was dry, I poked some holes using some yarn, not fishing line, because the fishing line will tear through the peel, and threaded some cute yarn through it. And I thought to really, spice it up, I would even add some bling to the bottom of it. And then once you have your yarn threaded, you can start popping your birdseed in, just as so. So there's our beautiful grapefruit. And we also did one with the lemon. We put some pearls on the lemon. And again, you can fill it with some birdseed. The birdseed I didn't have around the house, but I did add it to my grocery shopping list and picked it up on my run over the weekend. And there we go. You hang them from a tree, you hang them from a hook, and you can get almost a full week's life out of the skin, and birds will love it. And they're super cute and super easy to make. So that's our Saturday craft. Hope you enjoyed it. And again, citrus bird feeders, super fun, super awesome. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye for now. See you next week.